Good evening and welcome back to another beer review. I'm Ben the Beer Lad, and today I'm going to be doing a Shindigger and Farmyard Ales collab. This is called Sour Plower. This is a summer fruited Kettle sour at 3.8%. It says all that on the front, and there's Farmyard and Shindigger. I believe I've done a Farmyard Ales beer before. I'm not exactly sure. I think I have. I know I've had Shindigger before. I really like them, but I've never reviewed them because I can't get my hands on them without ordering from their website. And I probably should, but I just haven't really got round to it. But I'll do that in the future sometime and start reviewing them because very nice. They're very good. Like I say, Farmyard Ales, I think I've had, or I think I've done one or two of them on the channel. I know I've got a bottle over there that's aging and that's hidden away. So yeah, hopefully this is going to be a good one. This is one that I got from Priesttown Brewing for £3.54, something like that. £4? Yeah. And it says on the back, celebrating summer with a collaboration, Farmyard Ales and Shindigger Brew Co. have joined forces to bring you a double-fruited Kettle sour beer. We've thrown in a whopping 760 kilograms of raspberries, 190 kilograms of cherries, all balanced with a tart, sharp sourness, which is sure to tickle, tantalize, and refresh those taste buds. And it says find out more on both the websites. It says that all right there. I will leave a link to both Farmyard Ales and Shindigger down below, so you can try and find. I know it's not on Shindigger's website. It might be on Farmyard's, but they might have some extra details that aren't on Farmyard's. But I'll leave both their websites down below and you can check them out. But with all that said, let's crack it open, shall we? See what we've got. I'm looking forward to this. Like I say, I love Shindigger, and I believe I've had a couple really nice Farmyard Ales. So, oh wow, look at that. Oh, it's definitely the can art colour. Didn't even show you the can art. It's just what looks like strawberry laces. In fact, no, it's not. It looks like a dyed something under a microscope with a coloured dye in it. I don't know. It looks same colour scheme. Anyway. So we have ourselves a cherry red. God, that looks good, doesn't it? A cherry red. Yep. No light getting through that. Can't see through it at all. Cherry red beer. An off-white, slightly pinkish colour. If the camera's picking it up properly, you see it's white sort of at the top and it starts to go into this pinky, slowly goes into a pinker colour. Top it up. That looks brilliant. It looks like juice. It does look like fizzy juice. Raspberry, Ribena, Vimto, tropical, cranberry juice, that kind of stuff. It looks exactly like that. Let's get a smell, shall we? See what we get. Ooh. Whew. Okay, there's raspberries and there is cherries. They did use a lot of that. What was it? 760 of raspberries and almost 200 kilograms of cherries. You can't smell it, but it also smells like. I've got it on my nose. It smells like, or it's got a sort of lactose smell to it. It smells like a yogurt or a yogurt drink or a not smoothie, a yop. I can't remember what they're called. Sort of strawberry milkshake or yogurt drink sort of stuff, Activia, that kind of stuff. It smells like that. It does smell really nice. So let's get a mouthful filled with carb, shall we? It's slightly tart. Carbonation is really, really light. Surprisingly, I thought it was going to be not quite heavy with carb, but at least like a sort of Coca-Cola, Pepsi style. It's there, but it's not. It's quite light. It's almost not noticeable. Body is a light medium. If it didn't have this sort of lactosey, yogurty style to it, it'd be quite light. But it's with that yogurty style to it, it goes more into the medium of light medium. It's not medium bodied. It's not light medium. It's sort of light medium, if you want to call it that. So far, so good. Let's get a big old taste, shall we? Cheers. Oh, that's quite sour, that. And by quite, I mean that'll turn your face inside out. It is 3.8%, so it is very sessionable. It's quite nice. I'd happily have this on a summer's day, like today. It's 20 odd degrees. Just sit in the beer garden, sit in your backyard, sit in your living room, watch telly. Got this. Pardon me. So flavour wise, you've got your raspberries. Pardon me. You've got your raspberries. You've got your cherries. Like I said about the yogurt, the Activia, the sort of yop drink. It's all there. It's quite literally what they say: raspberries, cherries, and then it has this yogurty style flavor. Yogurty flavor, yogurty almost texture, sort of creaminess to it. I think that's really, really good. It's really well done. Oh, that's so tart. I don't know what the Kettle is in the Kettle Sour. I haven't got a clue. That is packed full. That's packed full of the flavour that they're saying that there is, and a little more. They only say raspberry and cherry, which there is loads of, and then there's yogurt and sort of yogurty taste to it, lactose taste to it. I think that is very, very well done. I think that's amazing. It's a lovely little beer, and I will happily get that again. So, Shindigger and Farmyard Ales. Sour Plower Summer Fruited Kettle Sour. I don't know what the kettle is, but it's in there. I am going to give that a 9. I really, really like that. And I think for the weather that we're having at the moment, it's perfect. I think you can have this any time of year. It's kind of one of them. It's so good. So if you've had this, please let me know. I'm going to stop shaking it because there's still drink in there. If you've had that, please let me know. Let me know what you think, if you like it, if you don't. If you've not had it, I'll leave Shindigger and Farmyard Ales down below. See if you can get it on there. I'm going to be getting more Farmyard Ales in soon. I'm going to be getting more Shindigger in because I like both of them and I really want to try and expand what I've got, or expand on my catalogue of booze, I guess. So, if you like the video, thumbs up, thumbs down, all that usual stuff. If you want to subscribe, consider doing so, because the show must go on, etc., etc., so on and so forth, and I'll see you later. Bye.